Wow. Okay.
They do. They do use the cats as well. So you just never know if you see some little animal and it's staring at you.
It is. It's staring.
It might look like it's listening to you.
It is. Yes.
Then I would highly suspect that would be part of the military industrial complex, spying on the average citizen.
I'm just going to have a look at that for a minute. Just, excuse me.
And it may be happening right now.
Where are we? Where is it? Ah, there it is. Yes, have a look. It's just sort of going on like we're not,
Obviously, that is a military
It's fake, isn't
weapon.
it? It's fake. Yeah.
Absolutely fake.
Yeah.
You can see that it is listening.
What species are you saying that is?
That
Is that kookaburra
could
or
be a
magpie?
large woodpecker,
Woodpecker.
which would make it in the wrong continent.
US drone.
But they do travel that far. I've heard that these drones can migrate, and they will go to where the action is. And obviously, there's a bit of action happening right now.
So,
Hello, military-industrial complex. Hello.
because I'm going to see if it's real or not. I'm going to make a noise like how it goes. Oh.
They're obviously listening, thinking it's some kind of special coded language. And it will translate that and send it back to headquarters.
Wow.
Hello, Mr. President.
It's now under my control, not theirs. So you can now control that. by
Hello,
proxy.
General of the Army, Military Industrial Complex. Hello, Mr. Prime Minister. Obviously, those the heads of state are listening.
It's listening to us.
Obviously.
Okay. Interesting.
So we must have some very interesting intel going on right now.
Right, I'll just get the
Obviously
camera
dealing with
back on you.
conspiracies. We are a target for those establishments like ASIO